All my dear little friends are warmly welcomed on this lovely morning today. It's your favorite GK class, Vidhu Jashwini. Do you guys remember me? Yes? No? I'm unable to hear. But I really miss you all a lot. But one thing is there, well, whatever happens is for good. Like I think online study is better than offline study, है ना? Do you feel like this? Okay, बहुत दिन हो गए now tell me, who is your best friend during this lockdown? I'm unable to hear. You have to type your answer then send. है ना? Like Tanya, Unnati, है ना? Best friend, true friends, and Yash or Arnav. Is it? Atharv and who? Priyamvada. और अथर्व के साथ anybody else? पारितोष. Okay, leave it guys. Do you know who is the best and true friend of any person? Means you, me, your parents, your relatives, of any person in the world. Books. Yes, books are true and best friends. Just as you make new friends in your school and in your neighborhood too. Similarly, when you come to school, you get another best friend, and that is your books. You know, good books change the life of any person, also change the character of a person. And sometimes there are some books whose character are forever imprinted in our minds, and we never forget them because these characters are our favorite character. Is it? So, I hope everybody guessed today's topic. Yes, Chapter 7, Kara Creators. Kara means characters, and creator who create these characters means authors. So, various authors have created immortal characters in their books. The characters of a book are the fictional figures that travel through the plot, and they are created by the author, and these characters are made of words rather than flesh and blood, because we meet these characters in the books, and in books what is there? Words, alphabets make a story, है ना? So number 1 is Adam, that is given in your book. One more thing guys, nobody write the name of works or the authors. Works means name of the books, authors as you know, creator. Here now you have to concentrate in your video class only. Is it? So start. Adam is the famous character of Paradise Lost, and Paradise Lost was written by John Milton. Do you know Paradise Lost have 12 parts? Yes, this book is divided into 12 parts. Now, the next one, Pierre Bezukhov, and he is the famous character of War and Peace. You can see the book cover, है ना? And these are the real books. And War and Peace is written by Leo Tolstoy. The next one is Antonio, and he is the famous character of The Merchant of Venice. Maybe some of you already know this story, and this book is written by William Shakespeare. Many more books are there written by Shakespeare, and these are very good. And Mostly Shakespeare was writing sad stories like Tempest and Helmet, Hamlet, sorry, Hamlet, like this, है ना, means tragedies, है ना, a story that has a very sad story. So these type of stories are known as tragedies, and also write some comic stories, है ना. So the next one is Angel Clare, and he is the famous character of Tess of the D'Urbervilles. And this book was written by Thomas Hardy. One more thing, my dear students, this is the time you can learn all the spelling very easily, because you can see the character and the book's cover. You can imagine the story. If you don't know, you can read it, and also you can see the author. So it is a best time that you can take a screenshot, or the video is already in your app, है ना. Everybody install the app, Schoolia app. There you can also go and see this. The next one is Jim Hawkins, and Jim Hawkins is the famous character of Treasure Island, and Treasure Island is written by R.L. Stevenson. The next one, David Copperfield, name of the book, and this boy was an orphan boy. I know the story, but I don't want to tell you, because I don't want to finish your suspense, है ना. You will go and read the story. And the famous character of David Copperfield is Macabre. And this David Copperfield was written by Charles Dickens, a great author. The next one is Mephistopheles, and he is the famous character of Faust. And the Faust was written by Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. Here is not the complete name of Goethe. So if you want, you can ask. I will write in the comment box or in the Schoolia app, and you will know. The next one is Rip Van Winkle. You know, some books are here. The book was not a single book. These books have had a series of the stories, you know? So Rip Van Winkle is one of them, and this book, Rip Van Winkle, was written by Washington Irving, and name of the book is also the name of the famous character of this book series, Rip Van Winkle. The next one is Huckleberry Finn. I hope most of you read this story in your small classes, है ना, about Tom Sawyer, a boy who was live with his aunt, है ना, and he did not want to do any work. Remember? No. I will not tell you the complete story. And this book, Tom Sawyer, was written by Mark Twain. Next, Sherlock Holmes. He is the famous character of the book Sherlock Holmes series. This book has also a series, and its writer was Sir A. Conan Doyle. A means author, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The next one is James Bond 007. This is the name of the famous character. Yes, James Bond 007. And name of the book is also same, James Bond series. Is it? And who create this character? James Bond 007? Ian Fleming. The next one is, wow, it's also my favorite. And not all the series or whole series. I saw some parts of, I think till 6 or 7 maybe. And I really am not confirmed that how many books are uh, in the market. Maybe you know better than me. And the famous character of Harry Potter is Harry Potter. A very cute boy, is it? And this cute boy was created by J.K. Rowling. Then Peter Pan, a very naughty boy. And Peter Pan is the famous character of Peter Pan series. And this Peter Pan was created by J.M. Barrie. J.M. Barrie. The next one is Robert Langdon. And he was the famous character of the book The Da Vinci Code. And who is the creator of Robert Langdon? Dan Brown. Yes. Guys, you notice one thing? That in your GK book, there are only 3 pictures. J.K. Rowling, William Shakespeare, one more picture was there. But in this video class, you can see picture of all the characters, and also you can see the cover page of the book and the author's face, his picture or her picture. So I wish it will help you in learning, and easy to understand the story, and also help in remembering the story. The next one is Isabella Bella Swan. I also saw this in TV, and it was also a nice series. And this Isabella Bella character was created by Stephanie Meyer. So I hope you enjoyed today's class, and your homework is complete exercise of chapter 7 with correct answer and correct spelling. As you know that in your book the space is very small, so you have to write in the small letters, but make sure your writing must be good and readable. So have a nice day. Thank you guys.